Today I'm going to show you how to make this mouse hole. I had this opening here that I thought to come into my head, let's put a mouse hole in here. So took a couple of wainscoting boards, cut the correct angle, and then cut out an opening in it. I'm going to actually have to put some trim around there to clean that up. But I remember when I was a kid watching cartoons and they always had mouse holes in the mop boards or in the walls. It was kind of fun, so I thought this would be kind of a neat feature to add, conversation piece. So the hole, you can make any size you want. I just took some bottle, drew the top, and then just took a straight edge and actually square, made those square down. And then years ago I'd actually cut out this mouse out of a pine 3/4 board, so he'll sit there, or maybe even that way. Either way. He could be coming out of the hole. We'll see what works out the best, but pretty easy to do. I think the hardest part is to find a place to put it, but in this application it worked well. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.